maganda yung mura na mamahalin na discounted, no? Hi guys! Welcome to Beauty Max channel! I know guys, it's been a while. And this time, we are doing different things today. I'm going to do a collective haul of stuff that I purchased weeks, days, something like that. So, if you're interested to any of my haul, then please keep on watching. So, what I got for you guys here is the first item. Let's do makeup since I have not been doing makeup for a long time. For my makeup right here, this is just a quick makeup look. Mostly all Philippine product except for the under eye, which I'm using Maybelline, not Maybelline, MAC concealer, which is one of my favorite. That concealer is really wonderful. I know I need to purchase another one for a brand new one because it's going to expire soon. So alright, so the first item I got for you, I already opened this one, okay? So, and also I've been using it, so I'm telling you right now what I've been using as of the moment, okay? Alright, so first item, this one right here, Maybelline Fit Me. Since my kid is in school right now, and from time to time, if my husband would want me to go with him, then I will do a very quick daytime look. No, I don't have to be fancy when I go out. I prefer, like, you know, very minimal something. Just this one face powder, okay? I use it all over the face, and that's it. Underneath, I'm using Pond's. I have a review on that one. I'll put it right here up. I don't do any like blush, you know, contour and everything. I don't do that because I'm wearing mask, okay? So what's the purpose? I got it for like 200 or less than 100. So yeah, it's really good, you know, affordable when you are on the go. So this is really good. And for the lipstick also, I only sometimes I do a lip gloss, which is I'm using NYX butter lip gloss, which I'm doing that. And or my next purchase is this one, Vaseline, okay? I don't know if the camera will pick up. It's Vaseline. I got this at Daiso Japan, so it's I believe it's 172 pesos. So for my daytime makeup, I use Maybelline powder, and then for my lips, I do Vaseline to, you know, I have a dry lip, so dry lips. So I do that, okay? And the next is, since going out now, need more moisturizing on the body, so I grab Dove. Okay, so Dove, this is around 275, I believe. I'm not very sure, but all the prices, I will leave it in the description box so you have an idea how much. This one right here, I got this at All Home Supermarket. So I'm all over the place. So yes, this one, I just, you know, this is the smell of this one. I really love, right? It's really wonderful, right? I love this one, guys. Very nice. And yeah, it is so good. Yeah, moisturizing. Did I lotion myself today? Maybe not. So not lotion. Okay, so that's it. Alright. Okay, so that's my... Alright, so the next one I got for you. Okay. Alright, I got two right here. Here in the Philippines, we still do wear mask, and it's a requirement to any establishment. So I got two masks right here, okay? This one is what, 79 pesos, okay? It's for my son, okay? It's like, what's this, PN95. Kids protection. I know this is like the color is not really good. Okay. So this one right here, okay? So this is for Jans. School, we have to give him a lot of masks. 3 hours of schooling, so we require more masks, to change it every time. And then for us, I got this one right here. It's how much? 49 pesos. Okay, I got KN95 again, a mask. It's black. Okay, so you have to be protective all the time. I know, it's still rapid, the thing, the disease is everywhere. So we got here this what happened to this thing? It comes like broken or something. What is this? It comes like it's filing between. What is this? What is this thing? It's not like ayun. Ay, inocente. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so this one is 49 pesos for us, so we have to use this. Okay, I'm gonna switch my camera. I think the battery is running out. Okay, the next one I got for you here are two things. Okay, we went to the look. All right. So I'll do mine first. Okay, so when I went to the store, I went to the sale section. Diba? Maganda yung mura na mamahalin na discounted, no? Is it right? So I got this shirt right here. Diba? Oh. As is a school, we need to, yeah, this is from Fubo. Okay, it's Fubo USA, right? And I only got it for 150 pesos, guys. Diba? Mura siya. Mura siya. And then yung size niya, I got XXL. Okay. So para ano siya ba, no? Para ano talaga siya? Fit ba, no? I have allowance still. See? Okay, mayroon pa siyang allowance. So I don't really like too fitting because when it's too hot outside, my underarms is sweaty like crazy, and if I wait for a little bit at the waiting area at school for my sons, when I pick him up at school, and I don't want to be so sweaty, and then my clothes are too tight. It's so uncomfortable. All right, so the last item that I got for you here is what? Still from the look. Okay, but this is not mine, so I got it. My husband got it for himself. Actually, I think there are other two, but he already worn it, so this is the last one that I told him, don't open it yet. Let's do a collective haul. Alright, guys, so this is what he got. So it's a pants, right? So yeah, this one. So with his size, it's really hard for like a man's size. If you are converted to US, it's XL for his size, and here in the Philippines it's hard to get one, and we found it at the look. And see, look at also the it's like a designer before. I remember this one, like Busini, right? So it's really nice, you guys, and the quality, Busini are really nice, good quality, like clothes. And then he only got it for 300 pesos, I believe. Before this is like around 1,000, I believe. And it's only 300 pesos, diba? It's really a good deal. Alright, so I think this will end my collective haul for today. I know this is something weird, something different for me. It has been a long time that I've been doing this, I guess 2 years ago. So I'll be doing it more since I'll be going out more often. And if you like this kind of video, just like a vlog style video, I hope you like it. And if you do, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the bell. Alright? Okay, thank you so much for watching. Until then, bye!